Guys, how you doing? It's Chainsaw Collector 360. We're out here at Field Days of the Past at the Antique Chainsaw Display. Got a few of my saws out here and some of Sawman Dave's saws out here today. We got a Poulan 361 right there, Poulan 4000 counter 5, Poulan 4200 bow saw, Craftsman 2.1 14. You got original just regular Poulan, a little bit another Poulan 1800. You got an EZ automatic home light. Got another 361 that has a bow on it. And you got the Poulan F3100 right here. Really rare saw, fine, big old bow on it, original bow. See that right there. And you got the good old 306A. You got a 285 Husqvarna, 285 DC, and you got a Homelight C51, good running saw. Big old saw too. Big old chain on there. You got a McCulloch Mac 1010. Got an MS391 just to show. It's ported, modified. You got the old biggest 395 XP from Husqvarna with a 3-foot ball. Got the 562 XPG out here, running some cookies. And you got the 372 Pro Modified. And you got a McCulloch Super Pro 125C out here today. And you got the Super Wiz 77 with a big old bow on it. And you got a old Poulan model 52 2-man bow saw. Really rare, hard saw to find. And you got a old CLS 26 home light. Gear driven saw. Not gear driven, it's belt driven. And you got the old Stihl KS 43 imported from Germany. You don't see them in the US that much. It's a 2-man bow. Not a 2-man bow, it's a darn straight ball. And then you got the old Montgomery Wards West Bends. Look at that pop on there. And you got the old Stihl Concert. And that sums it up. Pretty good crowd this year.